These are the tools you need. Please wear gloves before using this product. This is what the refrigerator used to look like. Clean the surface of the refrigerator before using this product. Use a protective film to protect the floor. Stir the paint well. Use a roller to dip appropriate amount of paint on the refrigerator. Apply evenly in the same direction. Apply a thin layer in small amounts several times to avoid brush to thick. Apply a second layer of appliance refinishing paint. Generally, it needs to be brushed twice. This is the effect after applying the appliance refinishing paint.